And yeah, if we win against Barcelona, it'll be good, good, good. Good, 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 good. Oh, transfer offer, delete message. I'm not gonna sell anyone yet. Oh. Yeah, so I'm rendering the first one now at the moment, by the way. Alright, it's travelling to Spain to play against Barcelona away. Alright, let's go. We leave people. We really tried to go undefeated, but I know that's never going to happen. Bang. Oh, nice one. Hey. First out of all my friends, do my book play. Yeah. So let's go fly a kite up into the Right, Pedro. No. Whoa. Get out of here. I don't think Jolien Lescott's back from his injury. Oh, that's a great ball. Go on, it's yeah, it's 1-0. Broke him down on the counter attack. Sergio Aguero's second goal of the season, 2 in 2 games. It's gonna be a good player. It's gonna be a good season. I can just tell. 5th minute, what a goal! No, it's gonna be a really exciting game. Oh, get it out, company. Oh, why are you in his way? Yeah, bang. Ooh, nearly got through there, nearly. Oh, what a save from the goalkeeper. Boom, over the top. Just such a down. Go on, Aguero. Yeah, that's alright. Seen that? Oh, mate. I think they're playing 5 at the back. I swear they're playing 5 at the back. If they are, it's really going to annoy me. He's offside, ref. Thank you. I'll be back in a second. I'm going to shout down to my mum. Mum? Right, I'm back. Ow! My foot! Go on that. Oh, you got that. What a ball, Navas. Stop and go, mate. Stop and go. No, stop and go didn't work. Come on. To be honest, I think we do have a chance of winning the league here. Great. Yeah, we're done. On the Grado drive. No, we can't drive there. No, why in the Grado? Why are you letting me? Yeah, you have to power it through. Drive through there. We can't have a big lanky long legs can't get through. Great. Oh, mate, that left foot shot from quite far away, from quite a long way out. I wasn't expecting that to go that far actually, but ended up doing so. Oh, my screen's wearing a different colour. Go on, David Silva. Oh, unlucky. Good header. That's alright, found Jesus Navas. Oh my god. No, it's Messi, it's Messi. What a challenge, Kalishi. What was happening? Yeah, it's alright. Oh, yes. So stupid. Oh no, Sergio Busquets, don't touch him, he might fall over. Okay. Oh, ref! What you on, mate? What you on, Messi? Yeah, no danger here, whipping it in. Oh my god, I said, oh, come on. Oh my god, I jinxed it, I jinxed it. I jinxed it, now Danny Alves is going to do some shitty old celebration, look. Oh no, he just slid in the feet, just really danced it. Anyway, oh, I jinxed it then, 1-1. It's going to be a game. It's going to be a tight game to play. No, don't. Ref. Ref. If that was down the other end, me doing that, it would have been a freaking free kick. But it's Barcelona, isn't it? Barcelona. Whoa, I thought you were a ref. No Messi. I was surprised how that wasn't a penalty. Jesus Christ. Who's this? Oh, ref! Don't blow! Oh, you absolute freaking Down syndrome. Oh, I think I've been dominating. I think it's been 4-0. No, I haven't been dominating at all. All nearly worked out though. A little offside trap. What a challenge. I think that was fantastic. She's been proving herself alright. These first few games. No. Oh, whoa. Oh, he's done it again. Come on, if I score from this, I'm going to be pissed. Pissed. Very pissed. No danger. Oh, fuck. That was scary. If that's going well, yep, that's going alright. Come on. Yeah, sorry. Play that in middle against your former club. Oh, yeah, sorry, but actually wants to move back to Barcelona and have a manager job there, doesn't he? When he retires, but might. Because apparently he doesn't get the praise he deserves at Man City because he's African, which I think is a load of bullshit, really, because he does get a lot of praise, not gonna lie. He's one of the, I would say, he's the 4th best player in the world. Goes Ronaldo, Messi, Bale, then Yaya Toure. Just, that's my opinion. The argument's invalid, I do not care what your favourite is. And I don't care if you disagree with my one, because my opinion, it's not your opinion, is it? What you got to say about it, if I can ask? Oh, everybody's got one. Oh my god. Oh Jesus, Navas with his 2nd goal of the season. That came out of nothing. I was talking about my opinion. What a goal. How's he put that in the cross goal, mate? Cool. Let's have a look at that. He steals it. Aguero plays it back into Navas. Whacks it through PK's legs. What a goal. What a goal, Lazio! Lazio. Now, 2-1 up. Not letting this lead slip. Oh god. Sasic again, mate. It's strong at the back. Oh, that was bad. I shouldn't have committed there. Shouldn't have committed at all. Well done. My defending today is being dodgy. That's a great ball. What a ball. Now that's all. If he could finish that off, that would have been a great goal. Would have been the best goal of the season because he got unbelievable tackles. Fabregas has come on for Sergio Busquets, so one diver off the pitch. Body checking, well done. Another letter. Oh, that's dangerous. Tasic, you've been a rock, mate. Yes. Well done, company. You're also a rock. Guerrero. Oh. Oh, you fucking bellend. I hate my brother so much. Oh my god. Tackle win. Well done. Yes. So, today I think we had a good result after being Arsene Wenger. Alright. Come on. Company. That's a good challenge by Company. Who's that there? That is David Silva. Come on. Yes, we've won. One game. 2-1 away. Good result. Jesus Navas and Aguero scoring again like they did in the last episode. And yeah. It's been a good game. And if you like this video, please give it a like. If you didn't give it a dislike, and let me know how I can improve in the comments below. And yeah, so see you in the next video. This is me signing out. Where the fuck's the stop button? Found it. Bye.